So in this video, we will talk about why the average atomic mass is equal to the molar mass. So to tell you the truth, scientists found out that 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atomic mass units is actually equal to 1 gram. So now let's try to prove that the average atomic mass is equal to the molar mass by doing an example. So what other element to do than chlorine, right? So let's do chlorine. So we know chlorine has an average atomic mass of 35.45 atomic mass units. So we need to convert this into grams. So let's do that. 35.45 atomic mass units times our conversion factor from before, that, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd AMU is equal to 1 gram. So let's use that. So on the bottom, we write 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd AMU per gram. And when you do the math, you get 5.887 times 10 to the negative 23rd. Note that we are using sig figs since this is not an exact number, since this is a number measured by scientists. So for sig figs, our answer will have 4 sig figs. So our answer is 5.887 times 10 to the negative 23rd grams. So scientists knew that one, atom of chlorine weighed this much. So they wanted to know how many atoms of chlorine were needed so that it would weigh the same number of grams as its atomic mass unit. So they wanted to know how many atoms it took to weigh, 35.45 grams. So they simply knew this, and they said that, if we have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of Cl, then that amount would weigh exactly 35.45 grams. And that's where they got 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd from. So let me rewrite this to make it more clear on why this works. So let's start off by noting that there are 35.45 atomic mass units per atom of Cl. And then we could use the conversion factor to convert AMU to grams. So we know that 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd AMUs, now that doesn't look like 3, now it does, per gram. And then we further multiply the number of atoms it takes to make 35.45 grams worth of chlorine. So that would be 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of chlorine. And notice what happens here. So our atomic mass units cancel out, our atoms of Cl cancel out, and notice one more thing. And 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd cancels out from the top and bottom. So what you're essentially left with is that there are 35.45 grams per 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of Cl, or in other words, per 1 mole of Cl. So we just proved that the average atomic mass of Cl is equal to the molar mass of Cl, as shown here. So that's all for this video, and have a wonderful day.